Mercury by L.H. Colligan. Okay. Chapter 1. The Formation of Planets. The huge event that began more than 13 billion years ago was loud, but no one heard it. It was bright, but no one saw it. It was hot, but no living creature felt the heat. There were no stars, moons, or asteroids. Neither solid nor gaseous planets had formed. Our solar system had not yet been born. No forms of life, bacteria, insects, plants, humans, or other animals experienced the mammoth expansion of hot, concentrated matter and energy that took place all those billions of years ago. It was as if a tiny packed balloon that started out the size of a speck began to expand and did not stop. The huge expansion released gases and dust that have been traveling in space ever since. The Big Bang expansion gave birth to our universe of galaxies, stars, and planets. The Big Bang. Millions of years later, humans developed many explanations for how objects in the sky came to be. Most scientists now call the beginning of this ancient expansion the Big Bang. They have tested many theories about what happened right after the Big Bang expansion began. Telescopes, spacecraft, cameras, and computers have captured and analyzed images of objects in space that support many early theories about the Big Bang. Based on repeated tests, nearly all scientists support the idea that hot, dense energy and matter were packed into a pinpoint. They still do not know the source of the pinpoint or what caused this matter to begin expanding. They do know from measurements and tests that the hot, spreading energy sent a massive cloud of gas and dust through space. As it cooled, the gas in the huge floating cloud was mainly composed of two chemical elements, hydrogen and helium. Then something happened in this enormous cloud. Hydrogen and helium clustered together in some places. Within those clusters, the first stars began to form. But these were not stars as many people think of today. At first, they did not twinkle or brighten the sky, and they were not yet hot enough to give off light. Gradually, though, these stars put in more hydrogen and helium. Temperature and pressure soared within some gas clusters. The combination of gases, gravity, and increased pressure caused new, heavier chemicals to form. The stars began to release energy in the form of heat and light. They began to shine. In this way, during the course of billions of years, countless new stars formed. Billions of stars grouped together to form galaxies. At the same time, those first older stars began to die as they used up their energy and cooled down. Some did not die quietly. They collapsed into themselves with so much force that they set off new explosions called supernovas. These star explosions, along with the slower deaths of other stars, sent new gases and dust-like particles into space. The space that contained this matter came to be called the universe. The Milky Way galaxy is Earth's neighborhood and is made up of gas, dust, planets, and stars. Its oldest star is almost as old as the universe. It's a spiral. Mercury. Within the universe, some matter developed into stars composed of complex chemicals. Other matter formed around the stars. They became moons, rocks, asteroids, and planets. The stars' gravity caused those objects to revolve around the stars in different systems throughout the universe. One of those solar systems is ours. In this system, 8 planets formed: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury.